Do you always have tension and knots in your mid-back? Usually that is a sign that those muscles in between your shoulder blades are weak. Let's strengthen them the easy way. No special equipment. All you need is a wall. You're going to face the wall. You're going to put your hands on the wall. And from here, you are going to slide your hands up the wall as high as you can. We're going to start with one hand, two hands, both hands, and then both hands and lift off the wall. Both hands lift off the wall and then slide them back down. That's a real easy way to strengthen those muscles in between your shoulder blades. You do about 5 or 10 of those every day, and those muscles and those knots are going to go away. The muscles are going to be looser. Try it out.